Hello everyone, this is Mooncoin YouTube channel and I'm here to share the Solana chart that we discussed in last video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you can see I hope you can see the chart, and we have some drawings that we did in the last video, and the market moved as we predicted. It will go for a lower time frame. The last video, when we were doing the last video, the market was here. Okay, the market was somewhere here. Yeah, okay. So as we predicted, the market has come and take the SMC traders and liquidity, and it has pumped as we expected. You see, it has respect this line, taken all the liquidity here, and it has respect this trend line again. It has come and retest it, and it has broke this trend line, and now the market is moving to the upside due to the news that released yesterday, FOMC. Now let's get into the charts deeply. As you can see, we'll eliminate that drawings we did in the last video because that's a noisy here. Okay, you can see previously on the duration of August 17 to August 29, we had a trend line, major trend line in a 1 hour, and we can take it as 4 hour chart. This is a major trend line, and after the breakout of that, we had a small dump, and now the market is going for refill this imbalance. So you can see there's a pattern here. It's a symmetrical triangle, and there are a bunch of liquidities, buy side liquidities, and the market is trying to sweep everything. And we predicted that after the liquidity has been swept, the market would face a major dump in the coming future. And you can see here there's another trend line which has been broke recently, which was tested for many times. Okay, you can see there were several touches here, and in here we had two touches and the third touch. In the fourth touch, it failed to sustain the orders, so it has break up, and we'll mark this in a tick so it will be visible for you guys. You can see this trend line has been broke, and there was a bullish, there was so much of bullish, and it has broken this trend line also. Now the market is heading to take these liquidities. We'll keep a fib and see for the short term market movement. And you see, this is the golden zone that we expect the market to turn from. Okay, I'll just type. Okay, we have the lows and we have the highs here, so we expect the market to go in the place somewhere here, and we can see the rejections from here. After going here, you can see a bullish engulfing candle or a shooting star like this. Or we can expect the market to sweep both and go for this trend line that's over here, which is a high, this is a strong trend line. We'll go for line chart and I'll just show you how that line is supportable. You see, we have multiple mitigations. You see, first touch, you see, we have the rejections and we had a pump. We had another retracement and we had a small rejection. And after that second rejection, the market didn't sustain to bear that order, so it has broke down and we had a very big dump. Again, it has made this trend line, and we from there we had a very big pump. And again, you see, we have rejections. We go for candlesticks. You see, we have rejections here, multiple rejections. Fake out, you can take it as a fake out. And yeah, we have another one. Here, see, we have another fake out. You see, another rejection. So this will be our next strong resistance zone. So if the market gains the momentum to break this buy side liquidities and respect this zone, which is the price zone of 174, 19, 173.80. Okay, that's the point. The market in extreme zones, the market could turn in this point. Okay, but if the market, if the ETH and BTC dump in coming in the future, so we can expect the market like this way. So anyways, that's healthy move for the dump. And we got another pattern, which is, see, you can see we have go to day chart, and you can clearly see we have a line here. Okay, we'll trace this. You can see we have a line here. As always, draw the trend lines and patterns in the line, so it could be easy for your trading journey. And you see, you can clearly see that, right? This is forming a pattern, and we had a first mitigation and the second on the resistance trend line. And here, see, we in the support we had first touch and second touch. In the second touch we had double touch, mitigations. So if the market, if there were enough orders to for the market to go down, so it can go from this point. Okay, like this. The first scenario, is the market could go like this way. Now it has broken, the small trend line which was made in 1 hour and 2 hours, and the market is now heading to this. If it was able to move this much, then it's a very big move. So we can expect the market to bounce from here to, and we can expect the market to go down and lower. Okay, or else this is the first scenario that I expected, the first one. Okay, the first scenario we expect is the market to grab all the and sweep all the liquidities here and respect this trend line and the market would go down and break this and retest, and we have a good healthy dump. Okay, we have a trend line here, so there's a double confirmation here. There's strong sell. So in here you can see the first and second mitigations, and in the third we could expect a breakout. If it was a breakout, then it could lead for this trend line. Okay, if it was a breakout, it could lead for this trend line, and from there we can expect a fall. From there we can expect a fall like this. Okay, note it down, mark my words. Okay, and we'll mark this with another color. This is the second scenario. Okay. Once again I'll repeat myself, and the first scenario is the 2 hours trend line has been broken and there are a bunch of buy side liquidities. If it was able to grab this and respect this day trend line, then we can expect a very big fall, or else we can, if this trend line there were no orders to for the market to go down, then we can expect a breakout and a retest, and this trend line get respected, and we can go for a fall. Okay, these are the both scenarios that we expected. So you know that we are expecting this analysis, so do your own research before investing your own money, because it's yourself who's risking everything, so consider that. And that's it for the video. We'll catch you on another video. Thank you. Bye.